y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is Lindy Yours back, and you I said Lindy Yours back. Oh my gosh, hold on. I ain't got no lips. Nothing on my lips. Oh my goodness. That's why I fucked up. Hey y'all, this is Lindy. You're watching LindiorsLife, and welcome back to another one. Period per. Okay, so today it's all about the naturals. It's all about the natural hair today. We're doing a natural hair clipping tutorial. It's kind of a tutorial, kind of just do it with me and see if it turns out good. If it turns out good, obviously it's gonna get posted, so yeah. But this is the before. Yeah. You see my hair is, what is this? What is this shape, y'all? I can't remember what this shape is called, but this is the shape my hair goes in when it's, you know, all the tangling stuff. This is my curl pattern. I have no clue what the actual numbers are, because I'm just not that natural girl. I just don't know. But I got these curly clip-ins from Outre. I'll put it on the screen, like in the package, because I don't have them in the package anymore, because I tried this once before and it just was a struggle looking. But this is what they look like. As you can see, very much giving natural hair. Now what I will say is that this really doesn't feel too much like real hair, even though I'm pretty sure it says in the package that it's real hair. But it was only like $20-something, so you know, you get what you get. But I just wanted to, you know, find a way to just like lengthen my hair and get a little fuller. So yeah, they have clips from like you know, like short pieces for the front, and then longer pieces like this 4 weft for the back. And there's about 8 pieces. So yeah, and it's like this full. I'm not gonna put them all in my head because I don't really want that full of effect. So let's try it on. I have some water here in this Curly Magic curl stimulator, because I don't really use this, so I figured we could try it out. And then I have like a diamond brush. So let's try and see if we can get it to be cute. Alright, first things first, we're gonna go back to front with it. Like I said, I don't really want too many pieces, so let me try to find the longer one. All right, so 5 clip. I guess this is the one that goes in the back, so we're gonna put her in the back. That was just water. Now I'm going in with the Curl Magic. 3 pumps. Let's see what it does. Okay, she's getting defined. That's what I will say. I don't know if you can tell, but it is working. Alright, I'm gonna just section off the back. Try not to disturb my curls too much. I have about this much in the back. Now I'm gonna take it. This is the 5 clip and go in. Alright, this is the first one. As you can see, much longer than my hair, but it's the first one, so I'll figure that out. Let's keep going. I kind of feel like I want to do like side, back. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, next one we want to do maybe a 4-piece. Okay. We're gonna wet it. Wet it, set it, forget it. You feel me? And don't worry about the ends, honestly. I'm gonna just clip them. I'm gonna cut them, basically. So we've got our 2 pieces in, and now we see this is what my hair is doing. So, okay, now that those are like that, see, now we're close to the top. I'm gonna actually put some of this gel on my hair too, to try to like blend it better, I guess, so it's not so frizzy. All right, moment of truth. We gotta figure out how to blend this top of the head with the hair. Okay, I'm thinking to just put gel and water on my actual hair. To get it to like mesh with the hair. So that's what we're gonna do. 3 pumps. Just gonna push it on there. Hey, so far so good. Not even really do much. All right, we gonna start. I'm gonna start twisting them together. And by them, I mean my hair and the hair in just certain sections, so it doesn't, they're not just all, you know, it's just not on top of the hair, you know what I mean? That's why I'm doing that. So, yeah. We're gonna do some of these on my hair and rake it through. Rake it through. She's kind of cute. Okay, let's get the other side popping.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man.
Okay, y'all, this is gonna be the final look for now. I'll probably do some tweaking and just, you know, overall more shaping later. So yeah, I'll probably do some more tweaking and, you know, overall shaping later, but this is the final look. I think it turned out bomb. Like legit looks like my natural hair. you know, now that I've finessed it or whatever. So for that fact, I would say 10 out of 10. I do recommend it because it was cheap and it's doing its job. If you have a one place or a couple places to go, then this works. Like you have a weekend, you want to be cute, whatever, this works. But baby, this hair does not perform like real regular hair. You know what I mean? You gotta really finesse to even look like this, and even this is not perfect. So I would say if you really want curly clip-ins that'll last, don't get these. But if you just got somewhere to go, then yeah, get these. Cause you see how cute it is. Like if I got somewhere, a little weekend thing, like it's nothing. Period. This is just everything. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, holla at your girl down in DMs. Let me know how you feel about this video. If you feeling these, you want me to try different curly clip-ins, whatever the case may be, let me know. And yeah, bye y'all.